What's the 1/2 of 12?
6.
6. Very good. Oh, how about this one? Lemon.
20 by 1?
20 ba to? 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17?
18.
Alright na yung 18. Ha, fix mo yung hand mo. Yung paghawak. Ayun. Kaya mo naman pala. Oh, ito pa. 18. So, 1/2 of 18 is what? What's the 1/2 of 18?
9.
Very good. Oh, ito. 1/2 of 2 is how many? Look, oh, 2. What's the half?
Can you hold my hand?